Thanks, pal.
Incoming holocom from Apogee, Tawin. Vendra Prague isn't like the other criminals we've faced. She's cold and empty in a way I've never seen.
I've got everything under control, Tal. Don't sweat it.
What's happening?
It's her! I knew this was a bad idea!
Power fluctuation detected. Power fluctuation detected.
Did somebody say something about a savior?
Oh, hello there.
Mr. Zircon is here to kill. Dimensionator, find the nethers.
Welcome, all of you.
Look at him go! He's a natural!
Kill them.
Mr. Zircon's son is growing up so quickly.
Little Zircon needs something to shoot. PlayStation